All these jet boaters heard that the big bait posse's on the river. They getting up there thinking we're gonna catch them all. Huh? Hey folks, good morning. Riding down the road right now to meet Scott, first float of 2021. I'm gonna go get on the Holston River. It is March 16th, Tuesday. The weather last night it rained a little bit last night, not enough to hurt anything. Expecting cloudy day today, highs in the upper 60s. I have no idea what the river temperature is on the Holston, but it's probably, since the North Fork's up around 52, it's probably 50, 51, 52, 53, I would think, maybe a little bit more. But anyway, we'll see what happens here. Be a long float today. A little chance of rain later in the afternoon, not much. Got a front coming in tomorrow, so I don't know exactly what that means for fishing, but I think it's supposed to rain pretty good tomorrow. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you get a chance, hit that subscribe button, like, and drop some comments on the videos. I like interacting with folks in the comments. So any questions or comments you may have about the video, please feel free to drop them. Hope to see you on the water. Ah, dang on it. Yeah. There's one, Scott. Ah! Never got a good hook set on him. He grabbed it while I was reeling it in. I got a tank. Oh, I got a big one. I got a good. It's a good in here. Oh. 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 Oh, it's a tank. Look here, Scotty. Look at that bad boy. Hit it right at the boat. Look here, Scotty. Dang! There's one, Scott. Another little one on the bull shad, or on the jerkbait. No, jerkbait. There's one. There's one, Scotty. That's good. Yeah. He knocked the crap out of it. I ain't got him hooked good. Got one hook in. Caught the old fat thing. How fat that thing is. Let's see what it measures here. 14.5, Scotty. Big old fat gut on him. Another one here. Another fatty. Another fatty on the jerkbait. I'm gonna hook him up somewhere. Got my net in mess here. Then I'll measure him. Inches. 16 inches on the jerkbait. Nice. Marked up pretty, got a good gut on him. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Had a rough day on the water today. We didn't have any wind to contend with. I guess Fort Patrick Henry's spilling, so we had a little bit of water, but nothing that we couldn't handle. Had a fairly decent day. Scott ended up with 6 fish. I ended up with 4. Not good numbers for the amount of water we covered, but still yet good numbers for March 16th and early spring, I guess. Looks like smallmouth are starting to feed up. Everything we caught, their guts were stuffed, so looks like they're feeding up pretty good. I had 4 fish that I got in the boat. 14, 16. I had 18 inch was my big fish, and I had one that was probably 13 or 14. I didn't even measure on the board, but had another good one I lost at the boat, and one more that I missed. And then Scott, he got 6 in the boat, and he missed 4 more fish or lost them right at the boat. All on jerk baits. Didn't have really any other bait that anything would hit. I threw everything in my tackle box: bull shads, creature baits, fatty Z worm, Ned rig. Never got another strike on anything. Threw chatterbaits, threw everything I had really, and they wanted that jerkbait, so that's what they got. But hey, thanks for watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button, like and comment on the videos, and we will catch you next time.